Good morning, guys. I am talking about mentorship guideline. Here, 15 hours internship or a short term training. There are so many students register under this consideration. Swami Vivekananda Career Guidance Scheme. There are two most important subjects. This is one compulsory and another one optional. Here we are learning under the compulsory subject. First behavior skill, second communication skill, third computer skills. So there are three most important content under the consideration of compulsory subject, and this is one another optional subject as per registered students. So each has one optional subject registration, internet quest and banking, solar energy, internet banking and taxation, tourism management, agriculture development, animal husbandry and poultry farming. So these are all optional subject under the consideration. You know that there are 80% people who almost depend on agriculture product. So all the 80% peoples who most earn money from agriculture productivity and formation year by year. There are so many development in the field of education and the build of innovation, a good agriculture farm. According to William Shakespeare, the beginning is your end. So how to good begin? This is most important question. What is answer? We must need to a good beginning of his opportunities or priorities or self-employment development. So how to begin? All the begins comes from a door. All the glories comes from the door. All the success comes from the door. So we must need to one a golden key for the open of a lock. So all the doors comes from the one golden key. A golden key can open any door because the ways comes from anywhere. So there are so many ways, but we want to one way of success. So how to get one way of success? Regularity, sincerity, punctuality, discipline, all are the essential qualities. When we management of time, so they we can get a target. So set the target and hit the target. So how to get the target? Whether we save 1 second, so we can save 1 minute. Whether we save 1 minute, so we can save 1 hour. Whether we save 1 hour, then we can save a lot of days. And whether we save a lot of days, and then we can save a lot of years. So, dear students, we must save years, but not 1 minute or second. Hurry up of your bright career, hurry up of your self-employment. What do you decide? Firstly, we must need to what is your aim of life. So we must decide our aim of life. Then you can get the job. Whether you did not complete your job, so firstly you must need to complete your job. Whether you did not complete your education, so you must need to complete your education. So complete education has a competition. Competition has no rest. Competition get the opportunities. So we how to make our opportunities. What is will answer? Opportunities comes rarely by your priorities, by your education qualifications. So we must need to improve our education qualification or your priorities. So we can get your we can get make a priority from education qualification. Thank you so much, dear student. How to complete the basic needs of our human life needs? Source of capital, demand, desire. So there are three most important basic needs of the requirement in one basic needs of life. Whether you have not any source of capital, so how can you earn up your money? And you have not any desire, so how can expense your money? And whether you did not any demand, so how will fill your basic needs? So these are most important things. So all the economics depend on your in himself or herself. What do you want to earn? A good earn to while you learn. So firstly we must need to learn.